Do you feel like no matter how hard you try, eating less, working out more, your weight just won't budge after 30? You're not imagining it. Something is changing inside your body, and it's not just your willpower. Today, we're uncovering the truth about metabolism and why most diets simply stop working once you hit your 30s. Scene 1. What is metabolism? Let's start with the basics. Your metabolism is the process your body uses to convert food into energy. It's what keeps you alive, powering your heart, lungs, brain, and every single cell. When people say they have a slow metabolism, what they really mean is that their body burns fewer calories at rest compared to others. But here's the catch. Your metabolism isn't fixed. It changes with age, muscle mass, hormones, and even how much sleep you get. Scene 2. What happens after 30? After age 30, your body begins to go through subtle but important changes. Muscle mass starts to decrease, about 3–8% per decade. Hormone levels like estrogen, testosterone, and growth hormones start to decline. And your cells become slightly less efficient at using energy. This means your basal metabolic rate, BMR, the calories your body burns at rest, starts to drop. So even if you eat the same foods and do the same workouts as you did in your 20s, your body might store more fat instead of burning it. Scene 3. Why diets stop working? So why do most diets fail after 30? Because they ignore these metabolic shifts. Crash diets or extreme calorie cuts signal to your body that food is scarce. In response, your metabolism slows down even more to conserve energy, a process called metabolic adaptation. Studies published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism show that chronic dieting can reduce your resting metabolic rate by up to 15%. So over time, your body learns to survive on fewer calories, and fat loss becomes harder. That's why the same 1,200-calorie diet that worked for you at 25 may not do much at 35. Scene 4. How to reignite your metabolism. But here's the good news. You can retrain your metabolism. Build muscle. Strength training increases your resting metabolism. Muscle burns about 3 times more calories than fat, even while you rest. Eat enough protein. Protein has the highest thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. Aim for at least 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilo of body weight. Sleep and stress. Poor sleep and high cortisol. Slow down thyroid hormones, key regulators of metabolism. Avoid chronic dieting. Alternate calorie deficit periods with maintenance or refeed weeks to keep your metabolism flexible. Stay active daily. Even light movement, walking, stretching, cleaning, helps offset metabolic slowdown. Scene 5. The takeaway. So if your diet isn't working anymore, it's not your fault. It's biology. After 30, your body plays by a different rulebook. The key is not to eat less, but to eat smarter, move consistently, and rebuild your metabolic foundation. Remember, metabolism isn't broken, it's adaptive. You just need to teach it how to work for you again. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more nutrition truths, and share this with someone who's struggling with their weight after 30. This is NutriFacts with Simone, helping you understand your body, one fact at a time.